In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Getresponse and link it to an offer. First, make sure you're logged into your Getresponse account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top or side menu and find the option called Tools. Click on Tools, and from the drop-down, choose Landing Pages. This is where all of your past and future landing pages will live. Next, you'll want to start a brand new page. Look for the button that says Create Landing Page and click on it. Getresponse will give you different options, and to make things simple and fast, choose Use a ready-made template. This brings up a gallery of templates designed for different goals like promotions, lead capture, or product highlights. Take a moment to scroll through, preview a few, and pick the one that best fits your offer. When you've found the one you like, click Use Template. The editor will open with that design ready for you to customize. Once the landing page is open in the editor, you'll see a call to action button on the canvas, usually something like Buy Now or Learn More. This is the button that will link directly to your offer. Double-click on that call to action button to select it. A toolbar will appear, typically above or beside the button. In that toolbar, click on the link icon. This is where you control what happens when someone clicks that button. You'll see a field labeled Type. Set the type to web address. This tells Getresponse that the button should send people to an external web page. Then go ahead and paste your offer URL into the field. Make sure you copy the full URL from your browser, including the HTTPS part, so there are no issues. Take a second to double-check that the link is correct because this is where your traffic will go. When you're happy with it, click OK to save the link settings. Now it's time to publish your landing page. In the top right corner of the editor, click on Next Step. This will take you to the Settings page. Here, enter a clear and descriptive page title. This can help you stay organized and can also appear in browser tabs. Below that, choose your subdomain. Getresponse will provide options such as a default subdomain ending with something like greb-site. Pick the one that works best for your project. When everything looks good, simply click Publish. Your landing page is now live, and your call to action button is linked directly to your offer.